Today we will discuss 5 best smartwatches for kids in 2023. Smartwatches have become an increasingly popular gadget for both adults and kids, providing a range of features, including phone connectivity, fitness tracking, and even educational apps. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right smartwatch for your child. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the best smartwatches for kids. Let's get started. Number 1. The Vivifit Junior 3 from Garmin is a waterproof fitness tracker that helps get your little one up and moving. It tracks steps and sleep quality, and it records their active minutes to help them form positive habits. Parents can set daily activity goals, customize an in case of emergency screen with their contact information, and participate in fitness challenges using fitness trackers of their own. Number 2. VTech Kidism Smartwatch DX2 is one of the highest rated kids smartwatches on Amazon, and for good reason. It's packed with multiple activities, games, and intuitive challenges that'll keep your little one busy all day long. Your child can play with its built-in voice changer and snap hundreds of photos and videos using its camera. Once they take those pics, they can add fun filters and you can download it directly to a device without having to move it to the cloud first. Other features include an alarm, a timer, a stopwatch, a calendar, and calculator. Number 3. Little Tikes Toby Robot Smartwatch. They may not be old enough to get an Apple Watch just yet, but this age-appropriate smartwatch is an educational gift for kids disguised as a toy. It'll help them learn how to tell time, and also features plenty of games to keep them entertained: a calendar, stopwatch, timer, reminder list, alarm clock, and 2 built-in cameras for taking funny photos and videos with friends. Number 4. Spacedock Adventure 4G Kids Smartwatch. From the global leader in children's safety, wearable communication devices is designed to give kids more freedom and parents greater peace of mind. It's a cellular G-phone and GPS tracking device and a kid's smartwatch for kids aged. The Adventurer Kids cell phone watch enables families to call and text the child combined with safety. Number 5. TikTok Unlock GLT Kids Smartwatch. The safest kids smartwatch phone for ages dash. With no internet, games, or social media. TikTok has all the positives of a cell phone to keep your family connected without sacrificing peace of mind. Thank you.